Alright guys, welcome back to Coleman's Auto. Today I just want to show you, I'm working on a 4L6D and I want to show you all how to remove these plugs on the neutral safety switch. I have a lot of people come in here that are either replacing them themselves or they're bringing them into us for a rebuild and they're busting these neutral safety switches or cracking them or damaging their plug-in. And I just kind of want to show you all how to get them off without tearing your neutral safety switch up or your plug-in. What holds these in is you got some glue inside here, and you just need either a lighter or a heat gun like I got. You put it on there. You don't have to get it very hot, just get it hot enough to melt that glue on the inside. Melt it down where you can get it. Makes it easier to unplug. Some of them are still a little tough. You'll have to get you a screwdriver. Of course, this is a new neutral safety switch, but it's not as tight. I just kind of wiggle it there and it should come out. I just want to show you. See the glue going around the plug right there? That's the glue that's holding it inside there. And it would be very tough to get that out of there without melting it down. Most times people bust them right in here, crack them, and then they have to go buy a new $60 neutral safety switch. So I just want to show y'all how to do that and keep an eye out for more of our videos. Thanks for watching.